Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download Visa copy from UiPass app. First, download and install UiPass official app. If you have not already, download the UiPass app from the Google Play Store for Android and in the App Store for iOS. Install the official app on your device. Second, create a UiPass account. Open the UiPass app and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. You will typically need to provide your Emirates ID number and other personal information. Third, verify your identity. You may need to verify your identity through a facial scan or other verification methods. Fourth, access your documents. Once your account is verified, you should be able to access your documents within the app. Look for a section related to documents or my documents. Fifth, download your visa copy. Look for a download or print button associated with your visa. Then tap on the download button to save a digital copy of your visa to your device. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.